Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Raj, and this is Zitek. And today we'll be learning about the Route 53, Amazon Route 53. Okay, let's say in the content we have introduction to AWS Route 53, what is DNS and why Route 53 matters, the key features of Amazon Route 53, how Route 53 works, routing policy, and how healthsec and failovers, real case use, and finally we'll go for the conclusion. Okay, moving on. Uh, let's do an introduction to Amazon S3. Uh, Route 53 is Amazon highly scalable and reliable DNS web server. Whenever we type a website like Amazon.com or Google.com, the DNS converts that name into an IP address so that computers can connect to it. Route 53 handles this process for millions of websites that around the world. Okay, so what makes the Route 53 is is powerful is that its scalability. One, another is low latency. Other thing is global outreach, and it's a tight integration with AWS service like CloudFront, CloudFront, S3, EC2, and many others. During this, okay, in this presentations in this video, we'll be discussing more about the uh, how the Route 3 works and all of these things also. Okay, so what is DNS and why Route 353 matters? To understand the Route 53, we first need to understand DNS. What is DNS means? DNS works like a phone book of the internet. It translates the human readable name into a machine readable IP addresses. Okay, so it's like if you type www.amazon.com, that means that will translate into the 192.168 something dot 1.1.1 dot that kind of format. Okay, so Route 53 enhance the normal capacity of DNS by offering low latency resolutions, global load balancing, automatic failovers, and domain registrations. Many businesses performs Route 53 because it's extremely reliable and integrates perfectly with other AWS services. Okay. Uh, okay. Let's learn about the features of the AWS Route 53. Okay. Route 53 is more powerful than just DNS. Okay. And it's a it can actually register domain, manage DNS records, health and failover, routing policies, and integration with different AWS services. Okay, let's talk about the domain registration. That means you can register or buy or sell the domain name directly through AWS. Domain management, DNS management. You can manage DNS records of your website. Healthsec and failover Route 53 monitors your servers and switch traffic if it detects a failure. Routing policies. Route 53 provides an advanced way of routing customers to the best practicing performing endpoint. Integration with EC2, S3, CloudFront, EBL are the main other features that comes with the Amazon Route 53. Also 100% available SLA. It guarantee that the Route 53 will always be available. Okay, how does Route 53 works? Okay, here the quick breakdown of the how does the Route 53 works, and here the diagrams are showing how it works. Okay, this is a web browser, this is the Route 53 and its applications. So HTTP request and response order take place on it. So let's break down and see it. Okay, a user enters a domain name in their browsers. Okay, like this HTTP request domain name. Then the request is sent to a Route 53 DNS server. Okay, I'm sorry, DNS request, and this is domain name, and it's sent to the Route 53. Uh, Route 53 checks its host zone to find the matching DNS. It checks the host zone and the response with the correct IP address to your application, and it will send back to the applications. And in this way, the process takes within a milliseconds. AWS ensures that the DNS queries are answered from the server closest to the users and user for speed and reliability. In this way, the AWS route 53 works. Routing policies in AWS. Okay, there are different. There are some of the routing policies in uh, AWS. Let's discuss about that. There are types of routing policies. That is simple routing, weighted routing, latency-based routing, and failover routing. Uh, let's talk about the simple routing. It's a basic single resource website for the servers or only one resource only. Okay, and other is a weighted routing. It is a split traffic between servers, like 70% run in the US servers and 30% in the uh, EU servers, something like that, or Asian server, AGS servers. Okay, send traffic based on the weight on the different sites. We can see here also Route 53, 70% weight in one server, 20% in one person, and 10% in other server. Latency based routing. It sends the in this it directs the users to the servers with the lowest latency. Okay, uh, if some servers has the lowest latency, then it sends the users in that servers towards that regions or endpoints where you will get the lowest latency. Failover routing. Okay, it is if the primary server goes down, Route 53 automatically switches traffic to a backup users with for the high availability. If there is a if one server failovers take place, then it will switch to other servers. Okay, health checkup. Mhm. Okay, Route 53 can check whether your website or servers is working properly or not. Okay, it monitors every time. If a server fails the health check, Route 53 will automatically reroute the traffic to the health instances using failover routing. This keeps your application running even if one part of your infrastructure fails. Company use this for the high availability architectures, disaster recovery setups, and multi-regions deployment. Okay, so it is used for the everything for the failover, health checkup, and monitoring also. Okay, let's see the real world use case. Okay, hosting a website on EC2, routing previously managed DNS. Many websites hosted on EC2 are CloudFront user Route 52 DNS and routing. Okay, business deploy multi-region failover so the application remain online even if one goes down. Global websites use latency-based routing to serve customers from fastest regions. Okay, Route 53 is also used for the domain registration, internal corporate DNS, and disaster recovery plan. Okay, finally, in the conclusion, what you can say is that AWS Route 53 is a powerful DNS and traffic management service that ensure applications are fast, reliable, and highly available. With its routing policies, integration with AWS services, and 100% uptime, Routing 53 is an essential tool for the modern cloud applications. Thank you everyone for watching a video. If you have inquiries regarding the AWS Routing 53, then you can just comment below. I'll try to help you as I can. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.